Are you tired of the news? Feeling overwhelmed, distracted, drained, anxious about the future? Well, what about today? Because our future starts with the day, with the actions we take and the choices that we make today in our communities and our own personal lives. Join us this January 19th for Our Future 2023. Let's flip the script and unleash our best selves together. Over 30 different speakers from all over the world sharing inspiration, hope, and pragmatic how-to around mushroom growing, gardening, herbalism, farming, microscopy, and everything in between. Join us and step out of the matrix and into a future that's in your hands. I'm Matt Powers. Grow abundantly, learn daily, and live regeneratively. And click that link below. It's free to sign up. You'll be able to watch all the talks. You'll be able to join us for all the lives. There's giveaways every day. You don't want to miss it.